Come somewhere.
What is this liquid?
This distilled water, only distilled
Distilled
water.
water only.
Yes.
What about
So
this
it
one,
gets.
that reagent?
This is iodine.
Iodine.
This is iodine test for
So
starch.
Iodine is used for testing starch.
Starch, yes. So
Marley
iodine
the
can-
scientist.
Wow, October is scientist.
See, it has turned like little blackish, but the potato has also starch in it. Okay.
Less than
this is
rice.
less than rice. I have not put it in powder form. I have put the chunks of it. That's why it's not
It will take
reacting
times
well.
to
It will
react.
take time. Yes. But yes, potato has starch.
See.
You see this color.
Bland.
Tell me which one has starch.
Which one?
Which one is
Which
black?
one that will turn
Which one is
black,
black?
that has starch.
Okay.
Yes. Very
Black
good.
one.
It will turn black slowly. Give me a handshake. Give me a handshake.
Extraction, how do we process? Directly or banana? Is
Extraction.
it? Yeah.
Well, we have
Five-
three processes.
three
One is
process.
hand scrubbing, that is the easiest one. Take the sheet and scrub it with a glass, water glass, steel glass. That fiber will come out. The second is manual. Third is the chemical. We do it there, sir, in this machine. This is our This is our tea. यहाँ पर ये बनाना फाइबर चलता है। यहाँ digest the pressure cooker भात बनता है। Like that we digest the banana sheets and wash, then fiber will come out.
That fiber is used to make this.
Yes.
Look this side.
At the very first we take the rice measured seed. From the measured seed, we put on a careless
Like,
mixing
see,
media.
Indian plate will come out
This
like
careless
this.
seed is transparent very something. This is a media. We call this plant tissue culture media. Over there we keep this rice measured seed. This seed, like we after putting the measured seed and we dehusk the upper layer over. After dehusking, I mean a bisexual internet which is free from any kind of media, it is deep sterile composition. This is again on plant tissue culture media by supplementing some specific hormones, plant hormones. Okay, this once we get this callus, then to edit the plant DNA, like this thing, it's like that. It will happen inside a plant cell, which we cannot see. This happens in plant cell. Suppose this is the DNA of the plant. Suppose this particular portion is not good DNA. We consider that because of this DNA, it plants some disease occurs. So we will take it out, a small portion of the DNA, and we will correct it. To correct it, we use this Cas9 enzyme. This enzyme will go in the plant cell and our targeted DNA, which we are planning to remove, it will cut, and then again it will join the DNA. Yes, it will.
The caterpillar reacts with this Bacterial chemical. That's why this color is changed. If we use the pure turmeric powder, then there is no change in the color. Now, we are going to show you small purifier. This one is
Oh, hello. Interesting the visit there. Okay. Try this.
फंजाइज ग्रो करते हैं। बेसिकली ये एक घर है जहाँ पे ये ग्रो कर सकते हैं अपना सोचेगा कुछ अलग हो लेकिन ये बैक्टीरिया से ही ड्रॉ किया हुआ है। तो अभी हम जो गंदा पानी होता है कभी हम एक हफ्ते तक रख देते हैं, उससे भी बैक्टीरिया फॉर्म हो जाता है। या फिर कोई गंदा पानी हम किसी सोर्स से भी पी रहे हैं तो ये गंदा पानी का बैक्टीरिया देख सकते हैं ना, ये इकोलाई बैक्टीरिया है जो गंदा पानी में होता है, इससे कॉलेरा कॉज होता है। तो इसलिए हमें कभी सो इकोलाई इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन आवर गट, बट व्हेन इट इज when it gets excess, when it grows in excess amount, then it can cause cholera also. And here you can see this is a bacteria that can eat up oil. So it is an oil degrading bacteria. So see also in our fingertips there are several some bacteria present. So these are the 3 fingertips that we put in the media, and you can see like you can say like our hands are healthy, there's no bacteria present, but nothing like that. In our healthy hands also there might be some bacteria present. Yeah, this is a fingerprint before washing, and this is after washing. Even after washing you can see some bacteria, but then if we don't wash, how much it is. So we should wash our hands before eating anything. We have to wash our hands nicely. When we fall ill, they consume different antibiotics, right? So in same case, we are using antibiotics in the bacteria as well. Vancomycin is an antibiotic. So you can clearly see some zone around here. You see transparent zone. So this antibiotic inhibits the growth of this bacteria. So that's why the zone are formed around the surface of the plate. That means it is working. That means it's killing the bacteria. So in the same case, हम जब antibiotic लेते हैं तो ये हम ठीक हो जाते हैं ना, तब इसी तरह ये antibiotic इस bacteria को मार रहा है, इसलिए इसको फॉर्म कर रहा है। और ये कुछ बायोफर्टिलाइजर्स हैं हमारे लैब से, जो हमारे लैब में ही प्रोड्यूस किया गया है। ये OC12 बायोफर्टिलाइजर जिसमें बैक्टीरिया है, इसमें ये जो वाइट सब्सटेंस आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना, ये कैरियर मटेरियल है, टैल्क है, टैल्क पाउडर। इस टैल्क पाउडर में हम बैक्टीरिया को डाल के मिक्स करें ताकि ये इस फॉर्म में बने। इसको हम सॉइल में मिक्स करके केमिकल